Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. And I know it's Monday, and all my old subscribers, you've probably logged in for your love reading, but you'll have to excuse me, Sagittarius. I'll be posting your in-depth love reading on the 1st of September, hoping to pull some new energies in. But now that you guys are here and I'm here, I'm not going to let you go disappointed. So let's do something fun today. Today I thought I'll do a small spread on getting some info about that new person, that secret admirer of yours who's got their eye on you, and how they feel and what they would like to say to you. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Saggy gang and send them the messages they need to hear about this new secret admirer of theirs. Thank you. All right, Saggies. Welcome back, all my subscribers. And Sagittarius, if you're new here, first timer to this channel, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And this is just a fun read. Like I said, your main reading is on Wednesday, along with the fire signs, air signs, and Cancer. All these three will be posted on Wednesday. Earth will be as usual on Thursday. All right, bottom of my deck, the Queen of Pentacles. So somebody sees you in a very, very high regard. Somebody, they look at you as somebody who's loving, kind, beautiful, successful, can take care of themselves, as the perfect mate that anybody would ever want. Before I open these cards, Sagis, I'm going to take 3 supporting cards as well for these. 3 supporting cards for these 3 cards from their secret admirer, Sagittarius. All right. Justice in reverse. First card here says 7 of Wands, the Sun, and the Queen of Swords. All right, so somewhere I think Sagittarius, as happy as they feel when they think about you, somewhere this person, whoever this person is, they feel that you kind of have your guard up, or you're very protective of yourself. Maybe you come across maybe as very defensive sometimes, but that actually makes them feel very happy. They see you as being very sometimes reserved, I would say, or not allowing just anyone to enter your zone, having some boundaries up. And whatever said and done, this person feels actually that this is like a sign that they have to respect you even more. They see this is the kind of person I would like in my life for the rest of my life. It's almost like your strong boundaries make this person feel even happier. Wow, why is that? 7 of Wands? The Sun again. My God, 2 Sun cards together. I mean, I've just opened 4 cards, and in that 2 cards are of the happiest card in the deck. This is like extreme joy, extreme happiness. So this person actually is trying to maybe come in and fight for you because they feel that you are their wish come true, their complete happiness. The Hanged Man, they're stuck on you. They can't see anybody else. All they see is you. You're the only one they've figured out. Maybe from all the other options, they feel that you're head and shoulders above everybody else. You have a higher position than anyone else that they've ever met, and all they feel when they think of you, look at you, is extreme happiness. This person is totally stuck on you. They're not going anywhere in a hurry. They will get you. They have their heart, mind, everything set on you. So, Queen of Swords, the World in reverse. Yes, this person does not want to end. If it's a friendship, if this is like an acquaintance of yours, they want to take it to the next level. They want this chapter or cycle with you to continue forever and ever after, that never-ending loop that you guys can be in, because they do see you as the perfect mate. This is not going to be like a short-term thing, like, okay, I'll date a person and see how it works out. This person is absolutely clear, and they're open. They're absolutely open, but they do feel that you have your guard up. So let's see if they could say something to you right now, what that would be. Sagittarius is person spirit, their secret admirer. If they could say something to each other right now, what would that be? Let's take 5 cards. I think we already have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay, so first card here says, I cry myself to sleep thinking about all the time we've missed out on. I wish I could go back in time and change things. Did you guys have an argument? This could be a friend or something. They are stuck on you. They maybe that's why you have your guard up with them. This could be somebody you've known or a friend or something. Maybe you don't have any romantic feelings towards them right now, but they wish that they had started off in a different way. They don't want to let you go. That much is sure. Absolutely 100%, because the World card is in reverse. They don't want to end anything with you. I know that I need to make amends for my mistakes. I'm contemplating how to do this because I want to show you how much you mean to me. Now, this person is getting enlightened. They're stuck here wondering what they can do to steer things in the right direction. Maybe you've already met this person. Maybe this person came across as, not very romantic, or maybe what they wanted to express they haven't been able to express, and now they wish they could go back to that first meeting so they could start off only in a romantic way or something. I knew from the first time that I saw you that I'd love you forever. See, your smile made me fall in love with you, and I knew then that I wanted to wake up to see your smile every morning. So I think this person hasn't started, or when you guys met, or if you guys have met, they didn't start off telling you their intentions, and now they're regretting it. They're totally regretting it. But the more they're watching you, and of course you have your barriers up as well, I know that it's our destiny to marry and have children together. We are to be united in mission to serve God's plan to spread love and light in this world. Our combined gifts are important to this world. This person has chosen you to be their forever person, Sagittarius. They feel you and them will not only have a great partnership, there'll be lots of fun times with you, and you'll make the perfect match. The last card here says, you can't imagine how much I love you. You are the woman, / man, that anyone desires. I know that I can count on you, and I will show you that you can count on me too. So somebody has their eye on you, and they have chosen you for the rest of their life. Now, whether you are going to choose them or not, I don't know. I do see a little bit of defensive attitude, hold back, I'm not interested right now, maybe because you don't even know how they truly feel. But I'll tell you how they feel. They are totally hooked on you. Sun, and the Hanged Man. Okay, so that's just a message for you. Start thinking who this person could be. I think you know this person already, but they haven't yet expressed their feelings to you, and they wish they could go back right from the first day that they met you, the day they actually fell in love with you, but probably never told you because you've had your boundaries up. So I will see you now on the 1st of September for your in-depth love read. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.